In this video, I'll show you how to add a discount code on Etsy. It's super simple whether you're shopping from your phone or computer. Let's jump right in. If you're on desktop, go to the item page you want to buy. Click Add to Cart, then view your shopping cart. You'll see a box labeled Enter Promo Code or Discount Code. Click inside that box, paste or type the code, and hit Apply. Now refresh the page if the discount doesn't show up right away. The updated total should reflect the savings. If you're using the Etsy app, open it and go to the same product page. Add the item to your cart, then tap the cart icon at the bottom right. Once in your cart, look for the section that says Promo Code or Discount Code. Tap it, enter the code, and hit Apply. That's all there is to it. Just continue with checkout and enjoy your discount. Quick tip: some codes only work for specific items or have minimum purchase requirements, so always double-check the terms before reaching out to the seller. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick shopping tips.